It's 20 degrees right now. There's snow on the ground. But we're gonna change some brakes today. And hopefully some coilovers. Yay! Sweep the cat poop. That's gross. Ooh, look at that new. Look at that new.
You like it?
Look at that new.
You like
I like that a lot. It's different from Trevor's, isn't it?
Yeah, different font.
Yeah. I do. I like it a lot, actually. Neutral.
Brakes off.
Brakes off. Yep. All right. Hey, wait for me. I'm helpful. Yeah. You gotta keep the doors.
That's good. That's fine. Right there. Dude, this makes this garage
Good job!
so much bigger. Yeah. Oh, look at that sticker from here. It's fucking green.
Ooh. Is that oil slick, right?
Yep.
Mmm. Good working weather.
Dude, it's gonna melt in here. Fucking start dripping off.
You doing all four corners or just the front? All four? Oh boy.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's the last.
Put what on? What are you fucking talking about?
Paint cans. Just lay it on the paint cans.
There you go.
Backwards.
Fuck. Oh. Yeah, don't drop it. I think we really be fucked.
What?
I think we really be fucked. Yeah.
Ronnie's working!
Well, probably be better right here.
You said already.
Let's fucking go! Come on, it's fucking cold.
Why the fuck did you open the door?
Because Trevor's here, he's taking his sweet ass time.
Shut it back! Fuck Trevor, now you can go through the house.
Hurry up, we're losing heat.
Get out of here, hot.
GPS man for it.
That ain't a C-clamp. What the fuck is that? That's a C-clamp.
That's a clamp.
That's a clamper clamp.
Get the fuck out of the garage door away.
Out the garage doorway.
Fucking.
Yep. Told you guys. That's not my fault. He was the one asking for first. Damn it! Damn it, Ronnie!
Thank you. It's probably 16 or 17 actually.
Here's a 17. Try that one.
In the wild Ronnie is actually doing work for the first time in his life on his own car. How's it feel?
Oh, that's sexual. That dude's like, what the?
Yes. What? Thank you much. Y'all take care.
Have a good day.
What? You guess, man. Yeah. He's on his way.
Yeah! You just fucking skated across that.
Alright, open it! Box opening. I need scissors. Let's go
Hey, where are
inside.
those scissors?
I'm going inside and do this shit. It's too fucking move. They do it.
Oh.
They said I need scissors. Comes back with a fucking knife. Alright. Straight speed opening.
That's so badass.
That's gonna look
Is this,
so
is this
good.
camber plate?
Yes, for the front.
Oh fuck, dude.
A little bit more. You're like getting like right up on it. It's like 2 levels.
Keep going. Ronnie!
It's a
Stop
clutch.
being a bitch!
I'm Trevor. I just need to back up. Put it in gear. Oh wait, you don't even hear it. I can't even make a sound effect. Fuck.
I can't even make sound of.
Fuck. Fuck.
Alright, stop. There you go.
Hey, got it! Watch out!
Yep.
Yeah, right on the exhaust.
Take it.
Gotta get it from the tip.
You're right. I didn't even have it tightened the jacket up. It was
Yeah, you're right.
Dang. Oh, that's good.
Get it somewhere.
Get in there.
I'll drop it.
I don't know if that was tightening or not. No, it should be loosening.
Yeah, it's gotta be loosened.
Your lowering spring. Your lowering spring on a bow rider.
Pull it, Ronnie. Come on. You gotta lift it up.
I'm not doing anything.
Fuck, never mind. There we go. Woo! You don't have to keep pushing the wheel. Yeah, maybe you do. There we go.
Ah, fuck.
Is it the BC?
If it's the. You see.
Would it be BC logo to the back?
It's coming out. Watch that ramp, Tyler. Push it down a little bit. Watch the tire.
You dirty.
I probably am bad.
I think he's done. You fall.
Shut up! If Roby.
God damn it, Veronica.
Damn, this was so much easier to put this in than it was my fucking other ones.
Dude, fuck yeah.
Still no camber. But Jack's
No
not fitting
negative
under
camber.
that anymore.
What?
Jack's not fitting under that right now. And I want to go lower. Just eventually, but not like.
Oh, yeah. Once you're running your new wheels, they're supposed to come in hopefully like soon, and you get a little bit of stretch on them. A little bit of.
Little stretch, little fender pull,
Yep.
little poke.
Dude, it looks so good right now.
Okay, what? Might be cold. Too.
Feel different?
God, yeah.
It does.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, that's stiff.
Oh fuck! I barely had to turn it. It took it like a champ.
God damn.
It's stiff. Oh my.
We haven't even like adjusted like the hardness or anything.
No, it's stiff as fuck too.
Back is tugging so hard
You're gonna have to angle it, yeah.
If you would have came in straight, you would have won every.
It's through. Is it really? Yeah, it is. Back up. Back up. There you go. Get out. No way. Get out.
Flex! Flex!
That's what he wanted. That's what he wanted.
One person. He doesn't count. Two person versus one person. He stays in a tree for half the time.
Yeah. Roby.
God damn it, Veronica.